Hello, this is Alex Owari from ONG Tax and Accounting Services. So in this video, we're going to show you how you can use your Social Security online account to retrieve your Social Security statement. Now, your Social Security online account is a free and secured online account which provides you with personalized tools. So it doesn't matter if you've already received your retirement or not. It is also useful for people of all ages and for those who want to learn more about their future Social Security benefits and then also current earning history. Now, statistics shows that about 10,000 seniors retire every day and many more need help every day. The Social Security Administration field offices that you know about, as well as the 800 number, they are all short-staffed, and so there's a lot of applications and inquiries for the SSA to process. Now, the Social Security online account, in light of all of these challenges, gives you a way of doing business with the Social Security Administration, and you can easily do business online with the Social Security. For those that receive benefits now or will in the future, you can also use your online account to transact business with Social Security. Now, your personal My Social Security online account also gives you immediate access to certain important information, such as how to replace your Social Security card, how to check the status of your Social Security application, how to estimate your future benefit, and then how to manage the benefit that you're already receiving. So now that you know the importance of having a Social Security online account, the purpose of this video is to walk you through the process of retrieving your Social Security statement using the online account that you already have, or if you're about to set up one. Now, what is a Social Security statement and what does it do? What is the purpose? Why is it important? We're going to go through why, some of the things that you could use your Social Security statement to do. So you can use your Social Security statement to check whether you have earned enough credit to qualify for retirement benefit, whether how early or late you can apply or claim your retirement benefit, whether you've earned enough credit to qualify you for disability benefit, what your monthly benefit will be if you become disabled right now, whether you have earned enough credit for your eligible family members to receive survivor benefit if you die. It also lets you know the amount each qualified member of your family will receive if you die. With your Social Security statement, it would also help you know your personalized monthly retirement benefit estimate at specific retirement age. So whether you're retiring early or you're retiring at a full retirement age, or you're waiting late in your retirement to claim the benefit, it would let you know everything. It would also let you know whether you have enough credits to qualify for Medicare at age 65. And then finally, it will let you know the amount of earnings you have paid Social Security taxes on each year. It also lets you know your total estimated Social Security and Medicare taxes that you've paid over your working career. Know the importance of your Social Security statement. How do you go about in retrieving it from your Social Security online account? We're going to show you real quick. Alright, so to get into your Social Security online account, you just type in ssa.gov. You want to type in ssa.gov because that is the government website. You should be very careful not going into any private website or any website that could potentially lead you into giving out your Social Security information. So you always need to stay with the government website here. Now, when you're here, you go to sign in, you go to My Social Security, and then you have many options in terms of signing into your Social Security account. Okay, you have the standard option, you have the government login option, and then you have the ID Me option. Now, for this exercise, we're going to use the ID Me option. Now, ID Me is very important. It is important because you could use the same credentials here that you've set up with the IRS to log into so many government websites, and Social Security website is one of those government websites that you could use your ID Me to log in. The setup with ID.me is a little bit painful, but if you're able to do it, it's worth it. It's a one-stop shop for IRS login and a Social Security login. So it's really good. So for this purpose, we're going to use the ID.me login. So I click in here and then it's going to take me to a different website. So here it shows me the ID.me login, it shows the email and the password, and then I sign in. During the process, what the system is trying to do is to authenticate you. It want to make sure that you are actually the right person logging into this account and not any scammer or any unauthorized person logging into this account. So when you have this, you could actually do the call me option, and then ID.me will call you and give you the code. They will rather call you and give you the code, but they will not request a code from you. So if anyone calls you requesting a code, do not give it to them. It's very important that you understand that someone may know your phone number and then will activate these services, and then will also call you to give them the code. So don't give your code to anyone. So for the purpose of this security, I would prefer that you use the test me method. So when you use a test me, they're going to send you the code. It's a 6-digit code. They're going to send it to your personal phone. Once again, when you get that test message, the test message is yours. Do not give that code to any other third person or any other party. If anyone calls you requesting that you give them the code you just received, do not give it to them. Even if it's not a Social Security account and someone activates a code using your phone and calls you to give them that code, please do not give anyone any code. So in this method, we're going to do test me. Okay, so here it's going to test the 6-digit code, and then I'm going to type it in. So you're going to accept the terms and conditions. And then once you accept everything, your Social Security online account opens up for you. As you can see, there's so many helpful information here that you can actually review for yourself. Here's where you go to retrieve your Social Security statement. If you want to replace your Social Security card, you can easily do it online here, but usually you can only replace your Social Security card if the system knows that you're a US citizen. Your benefit verification letter is also here. We did another video where we talk about the benefit verification letter, so you should go watch that on how to retrieve it. And then here it gives you other information, such as if you have enough credit to qualify for retirement, and it gives you all that good information. For the purpose of this video, we're looking at your Social Security statement. So you click here, and then you click on the first one here. You could also read this fact sheet. It's very important. It gives so much valuable information about you and your retirement. But what we're looking for is the Social Security statement. So you click on it, it's going to download. And then once it's downloaded, you open it. Alright, so here is my Social Security statement. Now, when you look at it, it tells you what at any point in time, from age 62 to age 70. Now 62 is generally the early retirement age, and then for most people their full retirement age is going to be 67, and then for everyone you can wait up to 70 years to claim your retirement late. And so when you claim it late, you get more money than claiming it at 62 or 67. If you're disabled right now, what's going to be your monthly? It's going to show you here, and I blank it out. What if you die right now, what your survivors are going to get? It's also here. Here's your Medicare information. This also gives you your earning record. This is very important. It helps you know when you started working, when you started contributing into the Social Security system, and it lists all the years and the earnings that you've had and the taxes that they've taken out. This is also good information. So you could also check this information against the information that you have internally to see if your employers are reporting this taxes really well, or they are reporting the income that you're making very well, so that you're earning the required credit you're supposed to earn. And if this information does not tally up with what you have, you can always call the Social Security to fix what the issue is. And then there are other information that you may need, which is also very helpful. So yeah, this is your Social Security statement. Instead of calling the Social Security Administration for all of this stuff, you can easily set up an online account and get to know what your Social Security situation looks like in case you die or retire, or if you want a survivor benefit, all of that issue. I hope this helps you guys out, and if you have any comment, please feel free to leave it in the comment box. Thank you and have a good day.